Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to delete a notebook in Evernote using your phone, Android, iOS. It is the same for both of them. Super quick and super easy, so make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. So let's jump right into it. First, you have to open your Evernote app. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can download it from Play Store for iOS and App Store for Android. As you can see, this is the interface when you log in into your Evernote. You have to make sure you are logged in. As you can see, I have already logged in. Once you are in this page, to delete your notebook, you can simply tap on the bottom third option, and in here you can see all the created notebooks that you have created on your phone. You can simply tap it which you want to delete and tap on the three dots at the top of your screen and scroll down, and here is a called notebook settings. If you don't want to do this, you can simply tap back and simply wrong press it, or simply tap on the three dots and notebook settings. Here you can simply delete it like this. You can delete notebook from here. If you have used the notebook once, you cannot delete it. Like if you are using the notebook right at the moment, you cannot delete it. If you haven't opened the notebook right now or haven't used that note on your notebook, you can simply delete it by clicking on the delete notebook option. It will give you a confirmation. You can simply tap on delete and the notebook is gone. But don't worry, your notes from the notebook won't be deleted unless you manually remove them, and that's how you can delete a notebook in Evernote app on your mobile phone, iOS and Android. It's the same for both of them. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips, and I'll see you in the next.